For a better work processing performance, we're going to show you how to start up from the job menu on the eScan Essential. The eScan provides you the flexibility to start up on the main menu or job menu for a better work processing performance. The eScan network scanner starts on the main menu by default. Go to the top left corner of the main menu and rapidly tap the area 10 times. A dialog box should pop up where you can disable or enable the main menu. Once you've disabled the Start as System Start, you can then go to the job menu and enable the settings there. Note, tampering with the settings may cause system to malfunction. To enable the job menu, long tap the area next to the Wi-Fi icon for 5 seconds until the setting bar icon appears. Tap on the settings bar icon and enable Set to Start as System Start. After enabling the job menu as a system starting point, anytime you activate the scanner, the job menu will be the first thing that you see.